Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I'm going to come at you with one of these desktop shoots instead of getting in front of the camera tonight because the markets haven't opened yet this evening for Thursday, Wednesday night for Thursday, and the Omni is starting to change a little, so I wanted to bring it to your attention. So the only way to do that is to get this video out right now before the markets even open at 6 p.m. this evening. So it is Wednesday evening, markets are closed. We are expecting them to open in about a half an hour. And remember, before we get into what's going on out there, that the market is very risky. Trading is risky. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first and never, ever think that you can get in these markets. And if it gets hairy, you'll just get yourself out. That's when you panic. That's when money gets lost. Make sure you put your stops in first. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, July 20th, 2023. Make sure you come join me at livewithoscar.com. What's going on out there? The Russell 2000 still looks fantastic. The Omni has remained green. However, the Omni has waved me off. It doesn't want me to take a trade tomorrow, not an Omni-style trade. In S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, all of them, Omni has waved me off. If we get into a trade tomorrow, it will be a total Oscarism style, but of course in the direction of Omni, if we trade at all. But I'm here to let you know that Omni has been killing it, getting it right day after day. It had one wrong day in gold, and everything else it's done so far has been pretty good. Omni got us in this morning on Wednesday right at the low of the day in Russell. And you know where it got us out? Right at the high. Thank you, Omni. It was perfect. Thought we would get to buy them again tonight, and instead Omni is waving me off. That's waving me off signals in S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell. So I will heed its warning, and the only way I'm getting in is if we dip deep enough for it to make sense for me to take it to get in at an Omni area that worked a couple of days ago, something of that nature. Barring that, we're not trading. Just figured I'd let you know. Omni's waved me off, and that's about it for now. Traders, hang out with me all day tomorrow at livewithoscar.com. I'll be in my free chat room. You can hang with me there, and if we are going to get into a trade, I will share it with any of you who are in the room publicly. So if we trade tomorrow, I will share that trade with all of you. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. All right, kids. Do another thing. Like, share, and absolutely sign up for these videos. Do that right now so that you know each time I put one out. And I will see you all in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. And then remember the important part of this game when you're in trades. Never make emotional decisions. Never change a stop unless it's to trail it higher if it's in your favor. Lower if that puts it in your favor. But we don't change stops just because we get feelings. We keep our emotions out of our decisions. How do we do that? Come up with a trading plan. Place your orders. And then say this to yourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.